All right, so we just got the FeatherSnap solar-powered bird feeder with AI species recognition. Holy cow. HD photos, videos sent directly to your phone, built for years of round use, live stream videos, watch your birds in real time, and long-range Wi-Fi antenna. Let's see what it says on the side. All right, so it does have an app, and we'll have to download that, of course. Let's see what's on this side of it. Yeah, it looks pretty cool. Let's go ahead and let's open it up. See what's in the box. Or let's unbox it. Right. All right, so you're gonna get this. It tells you what's in the box, getting started, and creating an account. Also, it has add feeders to an app and seed guide. Oh, and it's got a phone number down here. So you want to hang on to that. All right, let's see what we got. Oh, all right, so it seems like there's a lot of stuff to this. It does have, I do believe that's a battery. Looks like it comes with a USB to USB-C. I do believe these are screws. Yep, screws and anchors. All right, so you may need those if you're gonna, and this you could, I guess this is like a belt that you can put it around a tree or something. So let's leave all that in there. Let's see what this is. This, I think, might be the camera. Look at that. Wow. All right, so we got to get these things off of there. This one's a little easier. That one's off. That one's off. All right, so we're ready to go with the camera. Yeah, it's got a USB-C connector back here. I think that's oh, look at this. Well, that's where we put the battery. Oh, well, let's put it in there right now. I mean, why not? Here it is. It's got a USB-C 2 on it. I think it's gonna go this thing up. So we're just gonna put it in like that. And I think this locks it down. Well, maybe not. Oh, there we go. All right. All right, so far so good. I do believe this is some type of a connector device because it's got like a thing here and, you know, screw holes. So let's set that back. So we've got this first layer done. Let's pull that out. We'll set it on the ground. All right. Here she comes. I guess I could do it like this, right? Hold the box, pull it. Okay. Let's set the box over here. And this is our, there she is. You ready for the unveiling? Oh, that's cool. Look at that. There it is. We'll save those. We need that. All right. There it is. Let's go down. All right, as you can see, this is the solar panels up top here. And so here's our birdhouse. If you look inside here, you're gonna see there's USB-C and this little other connector. And on the back of here, you're gonna see that apparently goes, so it's gotta go in this way. You follow me? And I think you just set it right down in there like that. And it pushes right on there. So you wanna make sure that your USB is on, you see it's opposite right now, but when I turn it, then it would set right down on it. So you gotta make sure you get that right. Now I think I might wanna charge the battery, or maybe it'll just charge from the sun. You know what I mean, jelly beans? So let's see what we got here. We may need to scan that. So I'm not sure if we wanna put that in there yet, but I think that's pretty much it right there. There's where that thing goes, over here. So this, I guess, would slide right in there like that. It follows me. And then you could hook it on to whatever pole or thing that you want to do it. So we would want to screw it on something and then smush this down on it. I don't know if I want to put it on it right now. And I guess once you put it in there, it's in there, you know what I mean? Let's see. Oh, look, this has some kind of a, oh, okay, I see. So when you put it in there, it kind of expands a little bit, but then when you shut that, it locks it. And then what do we got here? Oh, this pops out for the birds. You follows me? So look, so this comes out, then the birds can stand on this and eat their food. You can put one out, or you can put two out. It's up to you. Yeah. All right. So you could go one or two, however you want to do it. Then up top here, I'm thinking that this pops off. If I press this, this would go down maybe, and so that you can feed it with bird feed. Thinking if you press this, this goes over like that. And now you can fill this with bird feed. You follow me? And then just come back, and it snaps in, it's ready to go. So basically this is everything that comes with it. We've already put the battery inside of here. You've got your USB-C to USB. You've got your anchors that you can use on here. You got this strap that you could strap it. Then you get the birdhouse itself with all the stuff, the solar panels on top. And yeah, I think that's it. And then all we've got to do is download an app for it and hook it up, put it out in the sun. Let it charge up, and bam, Bob's your uncle will be feeding birds.